Hey guys, what is up? This is Mehtab and you're watching TheYoungMA. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create great PDF files by just using your mobile device. For that, you need this Google Drive app, which is pre-installed on many of the Android devices. If you don't have it on your Android device, so you can install it from the Google Play Store. Now let me open the app. After opening the app, you will see such interface. You have to tap on this plus icon on the bottom right, and you will see a bunch of options here: folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. So if you have a captured photo or a document, you can click on upload and you can upload it. Or if you want to select folder, you can tap on folder and select. And if you want to scan in real time, you can tap on scan and it will take you to the camera app, and where you can scan the document and upload it. Right now I have nothing to scan, so let me scan this piece of paper. So I click the photo here and click on this check mark. You can see on the bottom right. Click on this and then you have to tap on save. If you want to crop it, you can crop it. Done. And if you want to select black and white is the best option. If you want to select color, you can select color, or you can even select color drawing. So black and white is the best option. I would recommend you to use black and white option and tap on save. Then you have to write name. If you want to write any name, you can write, or it will give this name automatically, and click on save. As you can see, the file has been uploaded. Now I tap on this and I can see the file. I click the picture of document I scanned. You can scan documents. I had nothing to scan, so I scanned this. Similarly, you can take photos and scan and turn it into PDF files. So that was it. And if you liked the video, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video for more tutorials. And till then, goodbye.